Okay, I've got everything hooked up to the receiver and the Spectrum radio. First of all, this servo is bad, but at least I know the gyro works. That's for the tail boom. It does change the pitch, and then I can get a little bit of travel out of it with the rudder. And then I've got the, let's see here, the throttle. That's that guy there. And you can see the throttle moving. Right there. That works. And then elevator. That seems to work. And the aileron. And that appears to work fine. Elevator. Now, as far as how this all works in here, it seems like it just floats all over the place. I don't know if it's right. It appears that it is. Everything rotates. If you turn, it rotates. That all. And then if I can get it to sit there, you can see it seems like it changes the pitch of that black blade, and then the aileron. So anyway, it definitely need a new, what is that, a high-tech 81 servo, because it's shot. See? Stripping like crazy. Anyway, that's the deal. Other than that, it works.